On May 22nd, 2019, David Goddard turned back 600 feet from the Mount Everest peak to go back down. Today, we will learn why David turned back. To first understand why David turned back, we have to understand how our minds work. So, what is the human mind? The human mind is a set of cognitive abilities, including consciousness, imagination, perception, thinking, judgment, language, and memory. Here's a good illustration. Let's say the brain is the hardware and the mind is the software. Your mind is interconnected with 100 million neurons, and it works in conjunction with its knowledge and skills to yield intelligent behavior. This is known as cognitive architecture. Conceptually, your mind is divided into 3 categories. First is your conscious mind, which makes up 10% of its total capacity, which controls decision making. Next is your subconscious mind, which makes up 50% of your mind's total capacity, which controls short-term memory. Next is your unconscious mind, which controls 40% of your mind's total capacity, and it controls long-term memory. The human mind is a fascinating organ that helps define our personalities, our health, our communication, and our social interactions, as well as keeping us alive by directing us of all our bioactivities. The brain has 3 main parts: the cerebrum, the cerebellum, and the brainstem. The cerebrum is the largest part of the brain and is divided into the left and right hemispheres. The left hemisphere controls logic, analytical thought, and language. The right hemisphere controls creativity, imagination, and insight. The cerebrum is also divided into 4 major lobes: the frontal lobe, which controls cognition, the parietal lobe, which controls aptitude, the occipital lobe, which controls vision and color, and the temporal lobe, which controls memory and speech. Your cerebellum coordinates muscle movements, maintains posture and balance. Your brainstem connects your cerebrum to your cerebellum. Now we can answer the question, why and what made David quit? David made a logical decision to turn back from the Mount Everest peak. Thus, it is evident that David used his left hemisphere and used his cerebellum to make his decision. Hello, my name is Aditya Bulusu, and please like and share. Bye.